In this part, we are going to create the item detail page. And since we are using the similar content with index, so we copy and paste the index, and then we rename this file as item detail. So we rename and paste the name here. And of course, the item details do not need to loop through the items. So we delete the unordered list here. And then under the container, we create the header of item detail. And then we create a div. And then we create h5 and pass the item names here, item.name. And why we have item here is because inside the app.js in the previous lecture, we already passed this object. So items contain two properties. One is the name, and the other is the price, and which is following this model. So we can go back to the item details, and then we change this to price. Now we save this, and if we refresh the page, we can see the item names and also the item price. So maybe we type item name here and also the item price. Now we refresh. Now we also can create a tag, and with the class equal to delete, because we want to make it as a delete button. And we also add the class as button, and then we type delete. Now if we refresh the page, you can see the delete buttons. And now we can try go to another items. And if we press on the phone, you can see the item name is phone and the item price is 1000. And we can also add the dollar price here. So now we already create the item detail page.